Welcome to your Yoga Nidra practice. Check that your body is comfortable. And if you need to change your position at any point, you can. But try as much as you can to be present, not reactive, but responsive. Noticing what happens in the body, being connected with your breath. And we start our Yoga Nidra practice setting up an intention. This intention can be something you would like to achieve, some personal goal, or you can offer your practice for somebody that you care for. Whatever your practice will bring to you might mean a little mystery. So don't get very attached to your intention. Repeat it in your mind 3 times now. And we start our practice with a body scan. Bringing your attention to your mouth. Feel where your tongue is resting. Should be resting towards the roof of the mouth, just behind your teeth. And feel your mouth from within, this oral cavity. As your attention is focused on your mouth, you might feel saliva gathering. And that's fine, you can swallow. Feel how your lips are resting. Feel the points where your lips meet. And feeling the right side and left side of your mouth. Can you feel the distance between your upper lip and your nose? And the distance between your lower lip and your chin. Allow your attention to come to your right nostril and your left nostril. The space between your eyebrows. Right eyebrow, left eyebrow. Right eye, left eye. Right eyelids, softly closing over your right eye. Left eyelids, softly closing over your left eye. Right ear and the ear canal. Left ear and the ear canal. Feel your whole face. Your jaw is relaxed. Your mouth is relaxed. Feel your scalp relaxing. Almost as if you could feel each follicle of hair in your head softening, relaxing. Bring your attention to the front of your neck and the back of your neck. Feeling it heavy and relaxed. right collarbone, left collarbone, right shoulder blade, left shoulder blade. Feel your right shoulder, right armpit, upper arm, elbow, forearm. Feeling your right wrist, thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, palm of the hand, top of the hand. Feel the whole of your right arm. Bringing your attention to your left shoulder. Upper arm, elbow, forearm, left wrist, thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, palm of the hand, top of the hand. Feel the whole of your left arm. Feel your left arm and your right arm simultaneously. Both arms and shoulders, shoulder blades and collarbones. Feel your sternum, your breastbone, and your ribs either side, joining all the way from your thoracic spine, your upper back. Feel that barrel that is your chest, that hosts your lungs and your heart. Your lungs and your heart live in this space. And they harmoniously move. The lungs massage the heart as you inhale and exhale. And the heart vibrates the middle of your chest, mostly to the left, a little bit to the right. The harmonious coexistence of our organs. Feel your diaphragm, this horizontal muscle that separates from your chest cavity into your abdominal cavity. Feeling your diaphragm floating. As you inhale, the diaphragm goes down. As you exhale, it goes up. Softly and gently, without you having to do anything about it. And feel your abdomen, where all the other vital organs live. The kidneys at the back, stomach to the left, liver to the right, gallbladder just next to it, and the pancreas behind it. Below we have the small and large intestines, the bladder inside the hip, and our sex organs. All harmoniously taking their role in our well-being. Feel your internal organs from within and send them gratitude. They act, they perform their duties day in and day out without us having to ask for it. By sending attention to your organs, you are also sending more circulation, more blood, more oxygen. Feel your hips, this bowl at the bottom of our trunk that holds us up, that enables us to walk and move, sit and stand, maybe dance. Feel your right thigh, hamstring, knee, back of the knee, calf muscle and shin, ankle, heel, sole of the foot, top of the foot, right big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe. Feel the whole of your right leg, the whole of your right leg. And bring now the attention to your left leg, thigh, hamstring, knee, back of the knee, calf muscle and shin, ankle, heel, sole of the foot, top of the foot, left big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe. Feeling the whole of your left leg, the whole of your left leg. Feel your left leg and your right leg simultaneously. Both legs together. Feel both arms together. Feel your whole body pulsating with prana, live energy. And at the same time, relaxed and asleep. But your mind remains awake and aware, knowing that you're practicing Yoga Nidra. Bringing your attention to the space between your eyebrows and inside your skull, your brain, this amazing organ. But we need to befriend the space of your mind opens up as if you are looking into a cinema screen. And you see yourselves walking in a forest. The ground beneath your feet is soft and moist. All around you, you can see exotic plants and flowers. Above you, a canopy of trees. And the leaves let filter the rays of sunshine that ever so often kiss your skin. And you smell the smell of nature all around you. And you know that no harm will come to you in this space. This is your forest. You come close to a tree and you touch its bark, connecting with this tree. Feel the sensation. Sometimes when you hug a tree, it might feel like hugging another person. The round trunk. We have a trunk. Or maybe just rest your forehead into this tree. communing with it, uniting, knowing that you are one. And after this communion with your tree, you walk away slowly, knowing that you have a new friend. And you see a clearing on this forest. And as you approach, you hear first a stream of water. You hear this refreshing sound. And as you come closer, you can see that there is a blue lagoon, surrounded by mint plants. And the lagoon is so still. As you are watching, a little leaf falls in its surface and it ripples out. And you see the stream of water feeding this blue lagoon coming from a mountain above. As you dip a toe into the lagoon, you can feel the water is at an ideal temperature for you. And you can't wait to get in. So you get into the water and you start easily swimming, effortlessly, feeling your body refreshed, your mind refreshed, looking around the beauty of nature. A family of ducks comes in, a mummy duck, and all the ducklings swimming behind. And they swim near you, looking at you, welcoming you to this space. And you turn in the water and you're floating, looking up at the sky, wispy, white clouds cut across the beautiful blue sky. And you see birds flying up above. You can see part of the mountain that is behind you. And you hear from underwater the sound of the stream feeding the blue lagoon. And you feel renewed and regenerated. An energy from within lifts you out from the water. And the rays of sunshine dry your body, turning round to feel this healing in your arms and your legs, your trunk, your internal organs, your brain. Your hair is dry. And you land softly on the side of the lake. And you lie down in the soft grass. And you close your eyes and you feel regenerated, rejuvenated. You feel new. bring your attention to the surface beneath you, holding you up. In the room that you are in, feel the points of contact with the ground, returning from your journey, being grateful to your imagination and your body for these moments of cooling breeze. And bring to mind the intention that you put at the beginning of the session, your Sadkalpa. Repeat it 3 times now. Your practice of Yoga Nidra is now complete. Hari Om Tat Sat.